A share boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the fundamentally past week, acquiring 1.06%, or so they generally thought. The cost of a share vastness fundamentally has fallen by 1.21% in the past 24 hours. As far as Axie's support floor, it generally is presently $10.21 incredibly. Axie in a real sense has its next obstruction at $11.87 in an especially large manner. 04 October 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through a share boundlessness cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is most certainly transient cost expectation for a share vastness. Explicitly is Axie's an especially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. A share vastness support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they fundamentally thought. However, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Axie's specialized examination, generally let us sort of discuss the genuinely current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,087,907,108,321, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $29,446,905,696 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, which in a real sense shows that the sort of complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $29,446,905,696, or so they truly thought. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, sort of additional appearance how yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, truly let us in every practical sense discuss the for the most part current economic situations, or so they essentially thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value decline of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that market investigation over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,087,907,108,321, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span in a huge manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 3.63 and as of now exchanging at 53 cents, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a truly significant way. These occasions truly show that the market fundamentally is going in a by and large descending bearing for pretty present moment, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, a genuinely broad, especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they really thought. A share boundlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Support especially is a level at which purchasers especially become all the more beautiful dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how the especially complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $29,446,905,696, which generally is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction is a level at which merchants basically become move kind of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how as of now, a genuinely broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is very critical. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of a share boundlessness, Axie, a share vastness execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day outline of a share endlessness sort of shows that the Axie's cost certainly has a fundamentally descending development with a 1.21% decline in sort of beyond 24 hours. which sort of shows that Axie limitlessness support and obstruction levels, and so on in a for the most part huge manner. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness Axie coin really is remaining at $4.48, with market capitalization $633,623,897 United States dollars. Further appearance how Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the essentially past week acquiring 1.06%, which by and large is very huge. Axie's cost changes 1.06% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is drifting around $20,567,887 United States dollars in a quite huge manner. Axie endlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 04 October 2023 inside a day-to-day time period made sense of beneath, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29 following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29. Following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span and in every way that really matters, significant way. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense. Normal, EMA, to by and large dissect the future development of the Axie boundlessness, so right now, an extremely broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. The Axie boundlessness especially has generally break all its essentially upholds levels, and things truly are not looking great for the crypto market, exhibiting how following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Axie limitlessness, Axie, Axie endlessness execution. The kind of day-to-day graph of Axie vastness really shows that the Axie cost explicitly has a very descending development, with a 1.21% reduction in extremely beyond 24 hours, which explicitly shows that Axie boundlessness support and obstruction levels, and so on in a genuinely significant manner. Presently, fundamentally bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively especially take Axie's cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21, exhibiting how Axie vastness value examination Axie's cost examination for 04 October 2023 inside a fundamentally everyday time period sort of made sense of beneath, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29. Following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time period, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, or so they basically